Buenos Dias, I'm Deanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 18 of my 28-day fitness challenge, and we have a special guest. This is Jeremy, Jer Bear, J-Rod, J-Meister. This is my cousin, and he is here to visit us for the holidays, and he is going to do the leg day with us. Yes, he is super excited, right? That's right. And let's get into the video. Alright you guys, we're starting with a warm-up on the treadmill. We're doing slow lunges with an incline of about 10%, and we're doing this for 5 minutes. Jeremy is on the elliptical and he is doing his own thing. You can do your own thing to warm up. It's really up to you. This next exercise is actually a bit of a warm-up as well. We're doing kneeling hamstring extensions. We're doing 3 sets of 8 reps. If you don't have a partner, you can do them on a lying hamstring extension machine. We're just trying to really engage those hamstrings as much as possible. Alright, and our first workout is squats. That's right, we are doing 4 sets of 10 reps each. Then we're moving on to wide lunges. We're doing 3 sets of 20 reps total. Jeremy is doing regular lunges for 20 reps, but regular lunges work more of the quads. I'm trying to grow them hamstrings and that booty, so wide lunges it is for me. Then my last workout is going to be an abductor. I'm doing 3 sets of 20 reps total. Jeremy's doing some boxing. As you can see, he's trying to get up his cardio, trying to kill him. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoy the workout. And this is us just being silly, super goofy and posing. It was poses! Just kidding. Alright you guys, and here's the outro. Alright, there you have it. We just killed that workout. Jeremy, what do you think about it?
Great workout.
So
Really
here you go. I love you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. Adios.